Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular praise and worship hymn, Heart of Worship. This song was written by Matt Redman back in the late 1990s. A very worshipful song to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and follow along as we learn this song together. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I could easily be found. So let's get started. I'm coming back to the heart of worship. And it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the things I've made it. It's all about you, all about you, Jesus. Okay, as you can see, I'm using the capo on this song. I've placed the capo on the 3rd fret just to raise the pitch up for me a little bit, so it'll allow me to play using the G-shaped notes. Okay, the chords used to play this song are G major, D major, A minor. Okay, that makes up the chords used to play this praise and worship song. Let's take a few moments to review how to play each of these chords. And again, I got the capo on the 3rd fret there. So, okay, to play G major, place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4 on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. G major, okay. Okay, to play the D major, place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, strum the bottom 4 strings. D major, okay. And then lastly, A minor. Okay, to play A minor, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret. You want to strum all strings but this top E string. So all strings but this top E string. A minor. Okay, the time signature for this song is 4/4 times, so there's 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I just use a down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, okay? Okay, so let's look at the chord progression for the verse, okay? When the music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring some things that are worth, that would bless your heart. Okay, very easy to play, and then it has a bridge that you play. Before it goes into the chorus, goes right into the A minor. I'll bring you more than a song, or a song in itself. It's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, as the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. Okay, and then it goes right into the chorus, okay? I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. Okay, then it has a second verse. You do the second verse, then you do the bridge again before going into that chorus, okay? All right, so let's look at the second verse. King of endless word, no one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours, every single breath. Then it goes back to the bridge, A minor. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself, it's not what you have required. You search much deeper within, as the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. Then it goes right into the chorus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship. It's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate that very much. That lets me know that you're enjoying these videos. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation, just bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well today. Thank you for viewing. Have a great day. God bless you.